Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. My name is Sahil, I'm a death metal musician and I'm also the author of the recipe book called Keto Life. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy salad which is also keto friendly, and it's my personal favorite. It's the Caprese, which is tomato, mozzarella and basil. And I first ate a Caprese back in 2013 when I went on a vacation to Italy, and trust me, there's been no looking back ever since. It's one of my favorite salads and it's awesome that it's keto friendly by default. But anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. Well, technically there's no cooking because it's a salad. So for my version of the Caprese, we are going to be using a cheese called bocconcini, which is basically like a bite-sized buffalo mozzarella ball. And bocconcini is really delicious, but if you can't find it where you live, you can always just use fresh buffalo mozzarella. So I'm just going to take my bocconcini and I'm going to slice it into two halves. So cut it right down the middle. This is just going to make the salad much easier to eat and way more presentable. So cut that cheese and set it aside. Now instead of regular tomatoes, I am using cherry tomatoes for this recipe. But once again, if you can't find cherry tomatoes, you can just use a regular tomato, no problem. So I'm going to cut the cherry tomatoes as well, just right down the middle into two halves. So the bocconcini and the tomatoes pretty much look the same, except one is white and one is red. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. Let's get on to the basil that we're going to be using. This is pretty much standard Italian basil, and what I'm going to do is put the leaves one on top of each other. Then I'm going to roll them up and I'm going to slice them. I picked up this way of cutting it from Gordon Ramsay. Anyway, now it's time to make the salad dressing. So for the salad dressing, I'm going to use about a tablespoon of good quality extra virgin olive oil. To that, I'm going to add a splash or two of balsamic vinegar. And I'm going to season it with some salt. And then I'm going to give it all a good mix, and the vinegar and the olive oil is going to emulsify, and that's your dressing. Pretty simple, isn't it? Now into the salad dressing go my cherry tomatoes. And I'm going to give them all a good mix so they are well coated. And then once I've done that, in goes the bocconcini. And of course you give it one more good mix. And then I'm going to transfer it to a serving dish, because I'm going to be taking pictures of this dish. And then I'm going to sprinkle the chopped basil on top because, well, it has to look beautiful for the photographs. Otherwise, I would have just mixed it all together in that very same bowl and eaten it. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that's how simple it is to make this salad, and your Caprese is ready. Hey folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it the thumbs up and hit that like button if you did. Also, subscribe to Headbanger's Kitchen for more awesome keto recipes, and make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notifications when I upload a new video. Anyway, I hope you'll make the salad, take pictures, tag me on Instagram, I'm at Headbanger's Kitchen, and I will see you on the next episode. Cheers and keep cooking. Hey folks, if you ordered a copy of my book, Keto Life, I just want to say thank you. And I would be super grateful if you could leave a rating and a review for the book on Amazon or whatever website you ordered it from. Anyway, click here to watch another keto video or click here and listen to some of my music.